Hello, and welcome back to another Practice Better hack video where we show you fast tips on how you can use and optimize the Practice Better platform. I'm Shelly Myers, business success coach with Practice Better, and today we're talking all about how to set your autoresponder and your out of office notification. So this video, I'm going to show you the Practice Better features that will allow you to be away or out of the office without all the worry. So you can quickly set an autoresponder for your direct chats to inform clients when they can expect to receive a response to their message. This lets your clients know that you're going to be away, allowing you to set a healthy boundary while still providing excellent client service. Your out of office notifications will help ensure that your clients don't request sessions with you for the periods that you'll be away. So, how easy is it to set up your autoresponder and your out of office notifications? Let's head over and take a look in the Practice Better platform. All right, so now we are in my demo account. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to set up these two features to let your clients know that you are out of the office and when they can expect you back or who they can reach out to in your absence. So you can see that I already have an out of office notification enabled. And on the client side in the client portal, they'll have a similar banner letting them know that you're out of the office and the dates that you have set up. So where you're going to find that is under My Schedule and then Out of Office Notifications. So here you can actually set up to 5 out of office notifications. The one I currently have set up is from November 28th to December 18th. So I am letting people know when I'll be back and then when they can expect to hear from me upon my return. Super simple. I'm going to click Done. Just make sure after you've set these up to click on Save Changes to save all of these changes here. All right, so looking at the autoresponder. Now, the autoresponder is for any direct one-to-one chat messages that your clients might send you. It's going to reply with your autoresponder message. So where you're going to find that is under the gear icon. Then you're going to go to telehealth and messaging, and then right here to chat messaging. And if we scroll down, you can see that I have the autoresponder is currently set for direct chat messages. So now, once you've set this up, if you did want to remove the autoresponder, you could come in here and just click on delete autoresponder. So when you go into the settings, you can't, so this is just one period that I have set up. You can set up to 5 different autoresponder periods. So maybe you have one for, say, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, one for Tuesday, Thursday, one for the weekend, if they're different. This one is going to be the same for all 7 days because it's just letting my clients know that I'm currently out of the office. So I checked on each of these days and I've set it from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. So if you added another period, you could just add those here. And if you want to delete one, you can just click here. And then I'm just letting people know when I'm returning, when they can expect to hear from me. And then if they need immediate attention, they can reach out to my office manager. So when I click done here, now it's going to be set. And if we want to take a look at that, we can just come over here. Now, because I have it turned on, my client Addie had sent me a message earlier asking if she could stop by the office to pick up her supplement kit. She did receive the autoresponder, and I know that because of this little icon here with an A in it. So just telling me that the autoresponder was sent. And so on my client side, right under their message, they're going to get that autoresponder message from you. So she'll know that I'm out of the office and she won't be expecting to hear from me until I get back on the 18th. So again, the out of office, let's head back over here. So the out of office notification is under My Schedule, Out of Office. And then the autoresponder is right here in your settings under the telehealth and messaging. So I hope this was helpful for you to feel confident if you're going to be on vacation and you're out of the office, just to provide a really excellent client service. So so they're not waiting around to hear back from you, and they just know that you're out of the office, and they have somebody, if you do have somebody for them to reach out to, they they would have that contact information. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.